What's up, chefs? Today we will be making an oxtail noodle power bowl. First up, we're gonna blend our marinade. Toss ginger, toasted sesame seeds, onions, garlic into a blender. Blend that into a smooth paste. Set aside a tablespoon of the paste for the minced beef later. Now coat the oxtail with the paste along with light soy sauce, sugar, a dash of pepper. Cover it up, let it marinate in the fridge overnight. Marinate the minced beef with the tablespoon of paste we saved. Add some light soy sauce, salt, pepper, and cornstarch. Roll the mixture into small meatballs and pop them into the fridge. Heat up a pan and sear the oxtail until you get that nice char. Then deglaze with a splash of Chinese cooking wine for that extra flavor. In a pot, combine beef broth, spring onion stems, onion, bay leaf, star anise, and the seared oxtail. Add enough water to cover the oxtail and let it simmer for 5 to 6 hours. The goal is to get the oxtail tender enough to strap. Prepare a pot of boiling water and blanch the shabu, meatballs, and thick bihun. Set them aside right now. And once the oxtail is tender, we want to bring the broth to a boil and thicken it with a cornstarch slurry. Remember, for the slurry to work, the broth has to be boiling. Stir until the broth thickens to your liking. Now comes the moment. In a clay pot or a bowl, pour in the thickened broth and top it with your braised oxtail, shabu beef, meatballs, and all the beautiful garnishes. And there, you have it, your oxtail noodle power bowl, packed with fully loaded flavors. Give this recipe a try and let me know how it turns out. Thanks for watching on Chef's Gone. We'll see you next time.